Hey, I'm Chris. From Mobility Solutions, Affordable Medical USA.com. This is the Whill, this nice power chair, the C2 or the CI2. It's the newer version. So the seat height right now with the cushion is about 19 inches from the floor to the ground, and the joystick is about 29 inches. The seat can be adjusted. The arms can be adjusted, as you can see right here. There's adjustments that you could be made. So what you're going to do, we're going to change this, and you do it on both sides. You're going to take this and you're just going to pry this off, and we'll show you that on the other side. So I'm going to come in here with the tools they gave us and loosen this up. You can also move this on that side if you need to. So kind of hold it with one hand. And move it up to where you need it to go. So we're going to bring it up to about right here. And then just take it, get it lined up. Once you get it started, so just kind of finger tighten it to get it started. And then tighten them back up. Don't over tighten one before the other, so just kind of get it right there. Come down here. And that's all you do. Take your arm piece, and these are changeable, different colors. Pop it on. That's how you adjust the handlebar height. Then let's adjust the seat height. Now we're going to do that side in a minute. So what I'm going to do here is come down here. I'll pull this latch up. Brady can show you that. I just pull this latch right up, fold this down, and I'm just going to pull this seat right up. That's all you do. It's about 23 pounds, or check the specs. This comes right off. And I'm going to take the other tool. I'm going to come in here, loosen it up, and then flip it around. Pull this out. And I'm going to take it all the way up. There's 4 or 5 notches. So I'm actually leave one notch down. Come in here, tighten it. And then flip it and give it a nice turn. If you have any questions about the Whill Ci2, give us a call at 803-926-2224 or visit us at affordablemedicalusa.com. Search bar the CI.